So here is the interface for Design Modeler, and on the left side you will find this tree outline. It has this geometry with three planes like XY and ZX and YZ. So let's start with XY plane, and we need to go to this button here and click on it. Look at face plane sketch, so we can draw our pipe here. Um, Also, you'll find here this sketching and modeling. So here is modeling, and we'll go to sketching to start drawing our geometry. So we need circle for the pipe, and start from the center, and we'll give it dimensions. So here is the dimensions. You have the sketching toolboxes. You have draw, modify. So all the settings, filler, chamfer, corner, it's like in any other CAD programs. Dimensions for the circle, we need dimensions, we need the diameter, and here is it. So diameter, we have 38 meter here. That's a huge. So to change the units, we have this option from here, units. Click on it, change to centimeter, for example, and you can let's give it like 10 centimeter. Now you can zoom in. So this is our first circle for the pipe. So now we can do extrusion to it. Like here, you go to create and extrude. So to extrude this, we need to click on apply, and here is the depth. Like we have 20 centimeter. I will leave it for now. We can always change it. And to generate the extrude, you need to click on generate here, or you can right click from here and generate. Now we have our pipe here. So now we will go to our second z-axis plane, and here we will create another circle. So we click on z-axis plane, then we go to look at face, and here we'll go to sketching again, choose circle, and we create our circle here. So here is it, and we need the second thing to do is the dimensions. As we mentioned, we go to dimensions and we choose diameter, then click here. Always you need to choose the geometry, then click anywhere to apply the dimension. So here is it. We have 20 centimeter, or give it like 15 for now, and we need to do extrude. So we go to create, extrude again, and here for this, like I want the pipe to be on both directions, so I will change the direction from here to both symmetric, and here I will increase it to 30 centimeter, so it will be very long. So what the next step we need to do is to generate. As we mentioned, we can generate from here or from here. So now we have this pipe. The first circle, I'm thinking to make it longer and thinner. So let's see. And here we go to this sketch, we put it like 8 centimeter, and we can increase it to 8 or decrease it to 8. So I have it like this. And for the extrude, we go to extrude one. As you see, any change in the geometry, you need to regenerate. So that's why you have this like thunder sign. And here I will put it like 25 centimeter. And now I click on generate. Okay, now I have it. Have 2 inlets and 1 outlet. So I want to check something here before we move forward, and need to check this because we are dealing with the fluid, so I'll change it to fluid instead of solid. And I will click save project. Of course, save project you can save from here and from here. We will learn with each project we are doing, we'll learn new tools to use. For the geometry, for the mesh, for Fluent, we'll always learn new tools. Like it's better than to give it all together to you. So you will absorb it one by one, like step by step. So now we'll close the design modular. Now we have like this right sign, so that means it's completed.